Have you ever wondered which programming languages power the sophisticated world of artificial intelligence? Today, we'll unravel this mystery and compare the top languages used in AI. But that's not all. We'll also venture into the realm of cloud services, an integral part of AI projects. Plus, we'll delve into the benefits of Edge AI, a rapidly emerging trend in the tech world. Stay tuned as we dive into the depths of AI programming languages and their suitability for various AI applications. First, we'll explore Python, the reigning champion of AI programming languages. Python's simplicity and readability make it a favorite among developers. It's like the Swiss Army knife of programming, versatile enough to handle anything from web development to data analysis. But where Python really shines is in AI. Its vast libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch are built for machine learning, offering a wealth of resources to dive into the world of artificial intelligence. Moving on, we have Java, another heavyweight in the programming arena. Known for its write once, run anywhere mantra, Java is portable, versatile, and object-oriented, making it ideal for complex AI systems. Its robustness and wide-ranging libraries make it a solid choice for AI projects. Next up is R, a language that's a boon for statisticians. It's designed specifically for data analysis and visualization, making it a popular pick in the realm of AI, especially for projects that require heavy statistical computing. Let's not forget about C++ and Lisp. C++, with its high performance and control over system resources, is often used in AI for speed-intensive tasks. Lisp, on the other hand, is one of the oldest high-level programming languages and has a long history in AI development. It's particularly suited for prototyping and the rapid development of AI applications. Knowing the strengths and weaknesses of these languages allows you to pick the right tool for your AI project. Beyond programming languages, AI's power is also harnessed through cloud services and Edge AI. These technologies offer a boon to AI projects, providing scalable resources that can accommodate the computational needs of these projects. With cloud services, you're not limited by the constraints of your local hardware. You can scale up or down as needed and only pay for what you use. Now let's sail into the world of Edge AI. This is where AI algorithms are processed locally on a hardware device. The benefits: reduced latency as data doesn't have to travel to a distant server, and increased privacy as data can be processed on the device itself. Imagine coupling these technologies with the right programming language. You can use Python to build your AI model, then deploy it on the cloud or an edge device. Integrating these technologies with the right programming language can supercharge your AI projects. In conclusion, there's no one-size-fits-all in the realm of AI programming. We've delved into various languages, explored the role of cloud services, and uncovered the benefits of Edge AI. Remember, the best language and technology for your AI project depends on your specific needs. Choose wisely.